Hey everyone, this is Arun and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I'm discussing about the linear programming question. Hanson Inn is a 96-room hotel located near the airport and convention center is in Louisville, Kentucky. When a convention or a special event is in town, Hanson increases its normal room rates and takes reservation based on revenue management system. So here in this question, we have a two table. First one is the convention and the regular, and we have a 2-night package column, then Friday night only and Saturday night only. Then another we have a anticipated demand table for each type of reservations. We have one reservation is convention and the other one is the regular. And in that table, we have a columns 2-night package and Friday night only, and then Saturday night only. So this question actually this question has been given to me from my candidate, one of my candidate who likes me to solve this question, and he has other questions as well. And because we can only try one time to solve this question, so we need to make sure we are putting the correct entries over here. So I already have solved this question. Let me show you the Excel part. So this one is the maximization, which we need to enter here in the maximization box. So maximization is 25 CT plus 123 CF plus 130 CS plus 295 RT, 1 plus 146 RF plus 152 RS. So this is our maximization. Then the constants that we need to follow here is the anticipated demand for convention 2-night rooms. So this one is for 2-night rooms. Then the other one is Friday night rooms only, this one. Then this one is Saturday night rooms. And all of them, you can just copy paste, you can note it down, and you can just try if you're having the same question, and I hope you will definitely get all the marks correct. This is for part B. Let me show you the second parts. So this one is the second part which they have given, and the anticipated demand for regular night rooms, then Friday night. So all of them are till here. Then we have a part B, which is the optimal solution. So I have used all the terms here in the boxes. For CT, we have 36, then CF is 12, then CS is 15, RT is 20, RF is 28, and RS is 25. Then the total revenue, which is from this allocation, what is the anticipated part of total revenue in dollars? So this is 25,314. Then we have another part, which is C. So in here, I put 50. So you can just try put 50. And I hope you will get the complete marks. So 50 out of 50 you will get. If this question is similar to what you have in your submission. So this is for Hanson Inn question. So if you have more questions like that one, you can reach me out. I will help you to try to get the best marks in this assignments. So thank you for watching this video and hope we will talk soon. You can reach me out over my WhatsApp and my email address, which I will be sharing you in the description part of this video. And if you have some similar kind of questions, you can reach me out. I can definitely help you here. For the timeline, let's discuss about the timeline. I will be sharing you as soon as possible once I have done all the calculations at my end, and I will be perfect to provide you the correct solutions. So that's all in the video, and I hope you like this video. Do subscribe me for my future ones, and do like this video. And thanks again for watching this video. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.